Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina. So I want to show you my slim junk journal for the holiday season. This is the final flip through, and I did a special kind of closure using sari silk, fancy yarns, fake jewels. These are the ones included in the Anne's favorite box. So I'm going to start creating with those to give you some inspiration on how to use with your junk journals or your creations. So in the next video, we're going to do things with those fake diamonds and the fake pearls that I had in the box. But it can be replaced with anything. Like it could be a row of pearls or nothing. So that's going to be for another video. And so look at that. This is a final flip through, and I added a bit more, I think more, like a lot, to whatever I had done on video. First, I've been going through the book and I added some glitters here and there. So here there's some glitters here with this smoosh glitters that I couldn't find on Amazon, but that doesn't mean it doesn't exist. But I bought that so long ago. All right, so all the laces are Crafty Me Shop laces. So if you are looking for gorgeous laces, you go to her Etsy site, but she sells for a cheaper price directly from her Facebook group. Every weekend, she lists a bunch of laces and antiques and stuff like that you can write a little comment below the picture that contains the price and say, I want one, or I'm interested. And when there's a limited amount of the items, or it's a unique item, it's the first comment that gets it. So I did also some beads. These are Crafty Me Shops as well, and I added little fancy yarns or seam binding here just to give it some decorations. All right, so I've glued the fussy cuts all around here as well. I don't know if you realize, but this kit has a lot of gold. And I'm amazed how it printed well. See, there's a gold line here as well. There's gold accents here and there. So there's a lot of gold into that digital kit, and gold is not an easy thing to do digitally, but I was really surprised and amazed of the result. You can see the gold here. So I've put a little bit of white there, kind of a fake walk paint. This is part of the digital. That's the page just by itself. So you can do some journaling there. And added some sari silk. And we can just do some journaling here. It's still a simple page, a simple journal. There's an envelope here that we could slide something. I didn't slide anything. There's a pocket here to slide something. There's a tag we can write behind. There was some writing here, but it was from a pencil, so I erased it. And here we have a flap. We have another flap. I love those journals with interaction. So here again, I added some glitters. Can I show you? Yeah, there's glitters here and there on that lamp. This is that street lamp. I love that page. It turned out so pretty. So pretty. Glitters here too. I added some glitters. Do you see? Yeah. So what I've been doing is that when the book was all completed, I just reopened some pages and I added some glitters. And I didn't put glitters everywhere because you need to wait for the glitters to actually dry, right? So it's a process. Here I just added a little length of my mini flowers, the small flowers fabric. This is my exclusivity. I just love that fabric. I just love it so much. The flowers and the color of the pink is just perfect. So it's an envelope, and here I added some real vintage papers just to feel it and feel the envelope. All right, and inside I just added this bookmark that I did with my bookmark kit. So really easy. I took the bookmark and I glued it to an old book page that was, it probably had the weird picture there or something that I didn't like, and I just glue it, and it was too large, so I folded it and I glued that. But I could have do a top spot too. And I just added some laces and a little polka dot sari silk. And it's the middle page, so I kept the signature threads longer and I attached those beads. It's cute. Added some laces here and there. Added the little mice there. I love those mice. They're so cute. I didn't decorate here, but eventually this journal could have more, right? Look at that. This is gorgeous. It's all glittery, shiny pearl. This is Crafty Me Shop again. I love that. And this tag and the papers. And I just added a paper. This is a printable in my kits. And here I added this is a real paper from a magazine. And it's from 1895. So I had that in my stash because I buy some bundles of real antiques to create my digitals. And well, this paper by itself looks gorgeous, but I didn't do any digitals out of it. I don't know, the design in it were not applicable to my style, I guess. So that's the antiques thing there. And this is a vintage wallpaper. I love the shabby chic dress of the lady. I just have a hard time with those ladies. This one, she's cute, but look at this one. I don't know. I love to have pretty faces in my journals, and it's hard to find with the antique stuff. So this is a little flip. I could add little glitters there or there. I guess I can still. And here I just placed a gorgeous vintage pink paper. It's just a pink paper. It is a special paper, and the pink is perfect. You can probably don't really see it in camera, but it's yellowish a little bit. It's getting old. The polka dot sari silk. And here I just used a tiny paper clip. It's not a tracing paper, but it's a really thin paper that has been coffee stained and pink stained with some color. And this is one of the postcard of the kit that I backed up with some tracing paper. And this is a paper that I have I bought maybe 4 years ago when I was beginning a block of those papers. They were lined, they were craft color, but I always add some ink all around and on the folds to make it look more old, because it looks too fake to me. And this is just a leftover of one of my papers, the Digital Kit Lace Love. So all of them together, these are papers for journaling, and they could stay together all the way or be used inside pockets or other places. And I just attach them with a paper clip, and then they can go in that belly band and show like a decoration. I did the same here with that Christmassy lace. This is not, I think this, it's the only exception. I forgot about it. This is not Crafty Misha. This is from my mom's stash. So my mom gave it to me. I don't know why she had that. It's typically not her style, but anyway, got it from her. And just papers. So again, I attached them together with a paper clip. So this way I can place them like that. Let's say, you know, if I want to see a little bit the dots there, and I can attach them and they kind of stay like that because of the paper clip. So here we can open that. Here I've included some little decos. It's a map from like an 18-something book. So it's really like all damaged naturally. It's just a map. I just love the paper. The paper itself is gorgeous, and with a little printed paper ephemera, they look good together. And here I just added a little envelope. This is something I bought when I started doing my junk journals. Those little envelopes that I found on Amazon, I think. I never really used them, but now I want to get a use of them. And I just put like cute little papers. These are scraps of papers, but you just, and a scrap of the embossed paper, but I just folded them perfectly imperfect, and you put them together and it looks gorgeous. And then it's a little treasure in that envelope, and eventually we could write on them some journaling, and this will go there. Look at this lace. And there's a pocket here with the bookmark and the little mice there. And another bookmark. And I added some, this is not Crafty Me Shop, this is from a doily, from my stash. I love the gingerbread there. It's really, I love the pink on it and everything. Anyway, look at that. This is kind of gorgeous. So that is the junk journal flip through for the Christmas time, and now I can use it to document my Christmas and keep memories of this 2024 to 2025 holiday season, keeping memories and everything. And I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.